Imagine this. It might sound simple, but trust me, the more you dig into these frameworks, the more complex they get. That's why I'm here to break it all down for you in the most engaging, insightful way possible. You see, if you're aiming to work in a multinational corporation, or you're eyeing an international accounting career, understanding IFRS versus GAAP is absolutely critical. You could be sitting on the best exam strategy of your life, or you could be completely missing the boat. And here's the kicker. If you're not fully prepared to tackle these frameworks, you could be making big mistakes that cost you a huge advantage in your career. The truth? Many professionals miss these critical distinctions and fail to succeed at the highest level. What you'll learn. Here's what you're going to learn today. The core differences between IFRS and GAAP. The distinctions that could make or break your understanding. Real-world examples showing how companies apply these frameworks in their daily operations. Key tips and strategies on how to navigate through complex scenarios, especially when you're faced with choosing which framework to apply. And believe me, if you stay until the end, you'll uncover the one thing that everyone in the finance world is buzzing about. Ready to unlock the knowledge that could change the way you approach your studies? Let's get started. IFRS versus GAAP. The key differences. Now, let's talk about the key differences. These are the ones you can't afford to miss. I'm talking about differences that'll impact your career and your exam results. So listen up, because we're diving into some heavy stuff. First off, IFRS is all about principles-based standards. This means that IFRS gives companies more flexibility in how they report financial information. It's like playing a game with a set of general rules, but with a little bit of freedom to make your own moves. On the flip side, GAAP is rules-based. It's like a super strict rulebook that leaves very little room for interpretation. Every move you make is accounted for in exact detail, and there's no room for personal judgment. Think of it like following a strict set of instructions to build a Lego set. Every piece has a place, suggesting the most efficient reporting standards for your company based on data patterns. These tools are becoming game changers for accountants and finance professionals, saving hours of manual work and reducing errors. This is a massive advantage for anyone looking to break into the accounting field. If you're not leveraging AI in your studies or career, you're missing out on a major opportunity. The truth is, the future of accounting and your future career depends on your ability to master frameworks like IFRS and GAAP, adapt to changing standards, and apply them in real-world situations. But it doesn't end here. The AI revolution in finance is just beginning, and those who embrace it will reap the rewards. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Innovate Matrix for more tips, strategies, and exclusive insights into how AI is reshaping industries. And hey, share this video with your friends, because if they're not up to speed on these frameworks, they're falling behind. Trust me, you don't want them to miss this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button